In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with your WordPress site, creating a powerful email marketing tool that's both effective and easy to manage. Whether you're setting this up for a new blog or enhancing an existing site, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage everything from your site's design to its functionality. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see various menu items, but what we're interested in right now is plugins, a key tool for expanding your site's capabilities. Hover over it, and a menu will appear. Click on Add New, and this will take you to the plugin installation screen. Now we're going to search for a specific plugin that will extend your website's functionality with Mailchimp. In the search bar located at the top right corner, type in Mailchimp for WordPress. WordPress will return a list of plugins. You should see the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin right at the top. Once you've found it, go ahead and click the Install Now button. This will start the download and installation process, which should only take a few moments. Once installed, the Install Now button will transform into an Activate button. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. With the plugin activated, you'll need to set it up. Find your way to the plugin settings, which you can access from the main dashboard or sometimes from the settings menu itself. Here, you'll notice an option to enter your Mailchimp API key. This key is vital as it acts like a bridge between your WordPress site and your Mailchimp account. To find your API key, log into Mailchimp and navigate to the account settings. Under the Extras tab, you'll see API keys. Click this, and you'll be able to create or view an existing key. Once you've secured your API key, copy it, return to your WordPress dashboard, and paste it in the appropriate field within your plugin settings. This step links your Mailchimp account with your WordPress site, letting them communicate and work together. The next task is to connect your Mailchimp audience. This step is crucial as it aligns your WordPress site with the specific audience you're targeting through Mailchimp. Within the settings, find the option to select the audience you want to connect to and complete the process as directed. Finally, it's time to put everything into action by adding sign-up forms to your website. This can be done using widgets or shortcodes, which are both accessible from the plugin settings area. Widgets allow you to place sign-up forms in sidebars, footers, or other widget-friendly areas, while shortcodes provide versatile options for inserting forms directly into posts and pages. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked your WordPress site with Mailchimp, paving the way for a more robust email marketing strategy.